Welcome to the Basic Trading channel. My name is Philip and today I will analyze Ethereum from a multi-time frame perspective. Starting out here on the weekly time frame, what you can see is that as we are speaking, Ethereum is currently retesting and already starting to reject the quite massive previous weekly resistance zone, which is now turned support, where you can see exactly at this $1,750 level, Ethereum had a first rejection towards the downside right here, quite harsh rejection and even breaking structure with the second impulse right here. Then we had another retest back into the zone, a second rejection towards the downside, and again a third short-term rejection towards the downside. However, then you can see on Ethereum we had a quite bullish rally with a 50% pump just within 5 weeks. And you can see that we perfectly broke above this previous resistance, which was now turned support. We then had this basic concept of a break followed by a retest, previous resistance, turn support. We already started the continuation towards the upside. From a weekly perspective, everything overall looks still quite bullish. And from here, I simply do expect more continuation towards the upside. Dropping down on the daily time frame, I actually uploaded my last video analysis on Ethereum exactly when the market was right here, explaining all the reasons for which I actually do expect a break above this previous daily resistance zone, then a retest, then this previous resistance is turned support, and then more continuation towards the upside. And in fact, you can see this is exactly what happened, and I will just go and link this previous analysis in the description below so you can go and check it out for more free education. What you can also see now from a daily perspective is that on Ethereum, we are approaching another quite obvious previous daily resistance zone, where you can see we had previous resistance a first time, a second time, then we had this fake out towards the upside, then we had resistance a third time exactly right here. As I mentioned, we also just had this break above this previous resistance, which at that point was turned support, retest, and now we already started this continuation towards the upside with today's massively bullish engulfing candle. From a daily perspective, we also have bullish EMAs with the green, the 10 EMA being above the red, the 20 EMA. Market structure is bullish, so right now I'm just really waiting for a break above this previous resistance zone, which at that point is turned support. And if we then have some bullish confirmation inside of this zone, I definitely do expect more continuation towards the upside on Ethereum, with my first upside target being at this psychological $2,000 level, from which we had this quite harsh rejection towards the downside right here. And then you can see we have the next major previous resistance zone at this $2,125 level, from which we started all this quite harsh correction of about 20% towards the downside. And this would be turned quite strong resistance once again. Now, if you enjoyed this free analysis, education, and update, make sure to smash that like button below. I wish you all an amazing weekend, time to recover. Do not lose the long-term vision. I'll see you tomorrow as always with a new fresh analysis. Cheers.